Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is CAH Tech Tips as usual. And if this is your first time here, please I insist you to hit the bell button, subscribe so that you can't miss any of my videos that I make. If you want to learn how to make videos, improve your video quality, grow your YouTube channel and other YouTube stuffs. Do you know that GB WhatsApp has got for you some hidden features that you're not using today, and they are amazing? So when I saw them at first, I was like, wow, that's cool, and I should be using them. So I decided today to share with you today these 10 tricks and hacks that are in GB WhatsApp, and you should be using them today after watching this video because they are quite fun. So I encourage you to watch this video until the end because I've got for you some amazing themes and wallpapers that can help you change your WhatsApp chat screen or home screen and it looks very pretty. So I know that you won't miss them. So let's get started. See that you're in your WhatsApp, and what you're going to do first, you're going to go to the three dots. Remember, we are going to change the tick and bubble styles and colors of the ticks and bubbles. So click on GB settings, then click on chat screen. After, you're going to see there up there is a word written bubble and ticks. Click there. So you can see there the bubbles and the color and the text colors, everything is there. So we are going to start with tick style. You can change it to blue. Everything, there are many options. You can change it even to an emoji, everything, but it depends on what you want to change it to. But mine, I always like this star because it looks nice. Then what you're going to do next, you're gonna change the bubble styles. Click on bubble styles. It also has some options. You're going to be changing to the one that you want. So there are many. This is cool. So you can see that I have changed the tick styles and the bubble styles. So we are going to go to the colors. The colors, let us start with the conversation background color. What you're going to do, click there. You're going to choose solid or gradient color. You might prefer solid colors. Maybe change it to this one. This is very nice. So you're going to change to the right bubble color, which is your bubble in a conversation when you are texting someone. So click there. Might want to change it maybe to pink. You go to the left bubble color. So you're going to do, we're going to also change it maybe to blue. No, light blue. This one. Might also want to change its text from white maybe to red. Go back to the chart and check whether it has changed itself. Go back to GB WhatsApp, skip the ad. After, wow, so you can see that it has changed. All those changes have been applied there. We are going to the second step of hiding contact name and profile picture.
in your chat screen. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the three dots there up, go to GB settings again, go to chat screen, and then you go to the action bar. It's the first option there. You might want to hide the contact profile picture like this, even the contact name can also hide it. The call buttons, even you can hide them, everything. So what you're going to do, you're going to go back to the chat screen, to any chat screen of any contact, and you check. So as you can see that it's empty, there isn't anything there, it's empty. So that is it. What you're going to do, you're going to click on the three dots there up, go to GB settings. After, you are going to go to the chat screen. After, you are going to go and see the conversation entry style, click on it. So you're going to change its background and its text color. So the background might selected white, might let us leave it as white. Then we change the text entry color, might change it to yellow. Yeah. Then the entry background, you want to change it to red. So even you might also want to change the mic send background circle, the other circle on the mic when you are going to send a voice note. So you might also want to change it. Let us make it white. Let us go back in the home screen, in the chat screen, and see the GB WhatsApp and go to the chat screen. So as you can see there, everything has been changed. The conversation entry style, the conversation background, everything. So what we are going to do, we are going to a fourth step of picture show. Go to the WhatsApp, go to the three dots there up, go to GB settings. What you're going to do, you're going to go to the chat screen, click on pics where there is a picture icon. If you want to show my pic on every chat or message, you might want to disable it because you don't want to be seen. But you want to see a participant picture on every message he or she sends. Can enable it, it's enabled. Also chat pic on my chat picture on every group. Maybe you're in a group but you want to see those messages that you sent, you might enable your picture to also appear with the message. So let us go back and see. So you can see the participant's picture, profile picture is there, but yours, you don't want to show it, it's not there. So that is how. Maybe you have a group. Yeah, go to the groups. So yours is not there, but other participants, theirs is there. Yeah. Home screen style, colors and styles, whatever. You go and click on the three dots, go to GB settings. After, you're going to click on the home screen there up where there is the house icon. Then after, you're going to go and click on rows. It's the second option there up. So after clicking there, you're going to see many options like home style. There you are going to change the style of the home screen, because there are many styles. You're going to see them. You might want to change it to old, warmed, or many. For me, it's set to Telegram screen. It has put on stock there. Yeah, you're going to see it later. So even the text color through the whole main screen, for it was set orange, but you might want to change it because you don't want to see them in orange. You might want to change it to another color, maybe to black. Yeah. The contact name color, you also might want to change it maybe to green. Yeah. Let us go back and see and check. Wow, as you can see that the contact name color has been changed. The text color through the whole main home screen has been changed to black. So it's amazing. Which is to change the color for the status circles, whether seen and unseen. Let us first have a look at them. These status circles, I think you are seeing them. So we are going to change them. So go ahead and click on the three dots. Go to GB settings. After GB settings, you click on the home screen. On the home screen, you are going to go and click on the status option. On the status option, you are going to see their status scene, where you are going to select a color for the circle scene status. Click there. So I selected black, but I may put red. For the unseen one, might put blue. So what you're going to do, you're going to go back and check. Checking for the status. So you can see that the seen one are red and the unseen is blue. So yeah, that was it. To change the font style in our WhatsApp. So as you can see, you have a font style. Maybe you might want to change it to another font style. What you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and click on the three dots. Select the GB settings option. And then there, what you're going to do, you're going to click on universal. It's the option there, universal. After clicking universal, you're going to click on styles in bracket look and feel. Click there. After you're going to go there down, you're going to see font style. Change the font style for WhatsApp. Click there. So you're going to see many font styles. So what you're going to do, choose a favorite one. You might want to change it to a font style, maybe this one. Go back and check if the font style was applied or was changed. Wow, so nice, guys. So that was it. It is changed, the font style. You can go ahead and change to any font style that you would like to change to. So So guys, we are going to our next eighth step is to change the launcher icon and the notification icon. The launcher icon is this one that is always on your home tab, like this one. This is the launcher icon, but the notification icon is that notification that is always with a message. If a message comes, a person sends you with a message. So you're going to go ahead and click on the three dots, go to GB settings, then you're going to go to universal. After, you're going to go to the styles on look and feel. So you're going to see launcher icons, where to choose your favorite launcher icon. Click there. So you can see many launcher icons. Mine, I was having yellow, but you can see green, black, everything. You can click there. After, you can go back and check. So as you see, our launcher icon has been changed, and what we are going to do next, we are going to change the notification icon. Also, can go there to the GB settings, go to the universal, go to styles and look feel, to the notification icon. You can see there this icon that will appear in your status bar. Yeah, your status bar. Click there. You can also see many icons. So you can also choose a message icon. So you can choose like this one. For it, this one, it's going to show when a person sends me a message. Yeah, cannot see it until a person sends you a message. Our ninth step. So what you're going to do, you're going to go and click on the three dots there, go to GB settings. After, you go and tap on universal. After, you're going to see a settings tab there. Click on settings. You can see app language. You're going to go and click there. So you can see that there are many languages there that you can choose. I choose English. So you can choose any language that you may want to. As I have told you that GB WhatsApp has some themes. To get them, you are going to click on those three dots, and then you go to GB settings. After, you click on themes, and you're going to go and tap there on download themes. Here you are going to get themes from Themes Online, but in GB WhatsApp. So you're going to see many themes. So these are free download themes that you get without going to the Play Store. So you might get the one that you feel it's better for you, this one. So let's apply it. Click OK. After, you're going to see it has applied in my WhatsApp. So you see it has applied and been saved in my WhatsApp.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any value in this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment below, and enable the bell button and turn on the notification button so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever I upload any video. So let's meet in the next video. Hope to meet you next time.